Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you upgrade your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version, or you may want to reset your iPhone, or you may set up for new iPhone. You may face a problem that home would like to send you critical alerts. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, if your iPhone screen stuck on this and you are unable to do any other action or any other task, so there are two ways to fix this problem. First of all guys, if you have enabled Siri in your iPhone, then guys you may ask Siri. So let's check guys. Hey Siri, restart iPhone. You may ask Siri to restart your iPhone and you may check your problem will be fixed. The second method is guys, you may click here on volume up button and click here on volume down button and click and hold this side button from here. So let's check guys. After this you may just restart your device and you may check your problem will be fixed. So click and release. So this one and click and hold this side button. So you may check guys, your iPhone is now updating, your iPhone is now restarting. So you may check when Apple logo show, you may release this side button. So you may check. So guys, you may check your iPhone has been restarted and now that pop-up has been disappeared and now you can use your iPhone easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.